This is embarrassing.
I can't believe I rode here on a wheeled wild boar.
Come with me, I'm scared of the police and freaking out.
We're heading to the bees right now.
To finally test out the wild boar a bit because since the last competition in Torun at Driftmaster, I actually haven't driven it. We're meeting up at Struki with the Dream Twin crew and the junk car crew from Troy Miasto. So we'll do some drifting. With Ziki and also with Asia's new junk car. Asia bought herself a beater. A recreational training session is ahead of us.
You're so worried about Ziki.
You haven't felt this way before, right?
Wow, it's your first time with Ziki.
You can't even see the track. But I think it's going to be wet. But you can smell a hint of smoke.
Not the handbrake.
There's no handbrake.
It's already smoking.
Something started smoking there.
Yeah, I don't know if it's oil or...
Or what, but something was smoking.
Come on, come on, come on, slowly, come on. I ride every day to the store, to work. Yeah, that's right.
And tell me, how was it for you to drive your daily on the track for the first time?
Wild.
Well, it's my first time on the track, so I'm just getting used to it. It's basically a stock engine, slightly tuned. It has about 400 horsepower and 600 Newton meters. The day we're testing it for the first time. But when it starts to get dry, it's nice, isn't it? But it pulls so hard. I saw it's already perfect here, all on the bubble. This was my first time doing it without the handbrake, right?
Without using the handbrake?
Yeah, just tap the foot brake as I entered the corner. I'm hesitant to go full throttle because it's wet and slippery. Traction is inconsistent.
But it's cool, right?
Let's stop for a moment.
And I haven't even done anything yet.
The wire... Wait, I think the wire is broken here.
Crazy guy.
It was already smoky. I'm currently on a short break. We're doing service time. Since the tires are done, I'm going to get the jack and we'll keep burning rubber. It's dried up, making it more interesting. This is what a properly burnt tire looks like. Do I have a lot of pressure in my tires or not much? Because I haven't checked. Do I have a lot of pressure in my tires? Not much. Won't you give my brother a ride after Asia is done? She'll probably be riding all day. Mine are slipping. Drive as safely as possible. My tires are already worn out. All right. Now it's straight, I barely need to cut it because my temperature was too high. It's fine, my tires are already worn out. Well then,
Chris, you said. He probably called me wild. Kisses, kisses. The greeting was quite modest there. That's necessary.
Registration, insurance, all that, right?
It has a jacket, so it's cool and safe. What's the horsepower?
450. Oh damn. Like a little monster. The tires last for 4 laps.
Yeah.
One more time? No, just don't touch this, and this. Okay, and then just have fun. I'll try not to shout, alright? You can shout, no problem. Motorcycle stuff.
Let's go.
Happy? It's broken, but are you happy?
But the fuel pump gave out an hour before.
Hey!
We'll be driving.
More.
More and more often. Hey there.
Hey there.
It's a weird feeling in general when you get high.
Hey there.
When you get high and drive a police car, right?
Jik was here. We're wrapping up B training. For updates, follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and subscribe.
Yo!